Today I watched a video where a guy said, run your lathe in reverse, like this, in reverse, and flip over your blade and your cutoff tool, and you can pretty much do whatever you want in cutting off. And I'm going to try it. Here you're witnessing it. This is on a 12 by 36 Harbor Freight. I usually have a problem cutting off, as I think most people do. And this is steel. Actually, this is the spindle adapter for a 5/6 collet holder. I had already cut it off the end. So this is just a scrap, and I'm just seeing how it works. And I mean, you don't hear any chatter on there, do you? Sounds great. It's actually spinning at a pretty high speed for a cut. Amazing. I wonder why we don't use all the cutting tools upside down. Look at that. Beautiful.